Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard for the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. The best part is, if you're in our stamp club, the club dies are now available. Now, most of you that are in our stamp club are also in our Die Hard club, so you've already gotten these dies. But if you are only in the stamp club, because it's only $13.99 a month, it's like 47 cents a day, it's less than a cup of coffee a day, then you can now get the club dies as well. If you want to upgrade to get the club dies automatically, you can do that as well on our website. So those are now available. Also brand new is the fun Maple Leaf A2 size card base folded. Now look at how cute this is. I love this. Perfect for fall. It has the fun veining cut out, which is so cute. I love that. And it's just so much fun. Now, does it necessarily lay flat? It's more like on its side, which is even better, right? Because why would you want it to stand up straight? But isn't that gorgeous? It looks like it's falling now. I love it. Okay. Now, the next two items have a coordinating item that's coming out next month. But I want you to get in on these now because the first 24 hours they're on our website, flash sale, and these are really fun. And I know you're going to say, well, do I really need them? Well, there's other ways you can use them without the other item also. So yeah, you kind of do. And the arch is so popular right now. So here we go. And I know it doesn't look like much here. It says happy birthday with a layering die. This one has stars as well. I'm going to show you lots of samples. Stay with me for 1 second. This one says thinking of you with some cute little hearts, and on the back some fun flowers. Now, what am I even talking about? Let's jump in and okay. Are you ready? It is a drop-in, my friends. So you can drop it onto a card piece, piece of cardstock, die cut it, and all of the pieces will stay there. There is no gluing involved. This is one piece. This white piece here is one piece because it stays in the cardstock. You glue it on and you're done. And this happens to be a shaker card, which is so much fun. So that one says happy birthday. Then you can also do it for background dies, which is so fun. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Then here's another one. You can just die cut it with both dies because each set comes with 4 dies, comes with that layering die right there, thinking of you. But again, you are not die cutting and gluing that little O on the inside. It stays in there. So this is just one piece. Isn't that nice? I love that. Ooh, or you can die cut them out and use the words separately. So this is technically thinking of you and thinking of you. Isn't that cool? You could use it 2 different ways. Now, the piece that is missing from those 2 sets is coming next month. Remember I told you? And it is a step up die. Look at that. It comes with other arches, but look at how fun this is. Folds flat for mailing, of course. It's a step up with that fun arch shape. Open it up. You can write your message on the inside. Isn't that awesome? Here is another one. Happy birthday. So this is a sneak peek. This card base is a sneak peek, my loves, coming next month. Here is another one. I love that. Look how fun that is. Look how many layers there are on there. I love it. Oh, there's lots. I have lots of these. Here, I'm so thankful for you. So coming soon. Is that one like a total? That one is a total sneak peek. Those are sneak peeks. Here's a happy birthday. They got mixed in. Here's a happy birthday. You can get the happy birthday now. You can get the thinking of you now. Look how fun it is, the extra on the back. I love that. You can get the happy birthday now. Those are on the website right now. The card base coming soon, right? Now, jumping in to our fall leaf that I absolutely love. My Canadian friends, oh yes, we got you covered too. I love that. Happy Canada Day. I love that. Here we go. Okay. Hello. Oh my goodness. Who made this? Sheila. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at how beautiful that is. Just get out your ink and brushes. How simple, right? How simple. Oh, here's that arch, but made into a cute little ornament. Isn't that fun? Out of our wool felt. I love that. Let's look. Oh, and here's a little one out of a little stuffy made out of that little fun leaf. Fold it. Okay, I'm just going to show you all of these because I want you to see how gorgeous. Oh, this one's even a step up. I mean, a stand up. Look how gorgeous that is. Stands up. Stands up. But let's look at these because I want you to see how different a leaf can be, right? I mean, you're like going, it's a leaf, but look at how different those all look. Now, these are all fall leaves, but remember, my friends in Canada, we have you covered too. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com. The first 24 hours, these items are on our website. They're on flash sale. Don't forget, if you're a club member, yes, you're getting that club discount as well. 15 to 20% off discount every single time you go to my website, every single time you order, every single item. Well, does that include? Yes. Does that include? Yes. Every item. There is not one exclusion, my friends. 15 to 20% off our entire website all the time, as long as you're a club member. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. It's like a sale every single day. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.